Today I'm going to show a demo of LMAC Core 1 on ZCU102 Xilinx board. As you can see on the left hand side I have a serial connection open on PuTTY, and on the right hand side I have a Linux system. So I'll just start my FPGA and we will be seeing some messages printed on the serial communication port. As you can see, the bootloader has been loaded on FPGA and it has started to boot. And once the FPGA is booted, I'll use root as login and password. Here we can see that the device driver for LMAC1 has been probed and it's installed while booting up. Next, I'll do some network operation which involves Ethernet, and we can test the LMAC Ethernet MAC core. So first of all, I'll start with ping, and before I do ping, I would like to show you the IP address. So for the Ethernet interface, we have the IP address 192.168.17.231. So I'll try to do a ping to this Linux system, which is 0.175. And as we can see, the ping requests are going successfully and we are also receiving the response. Similarly, I will do a ping from the Linux system to the FPGA board. And the IP address of FPGA board is 231. So here we can see that the ping packets are going from Linux system to FPGA board and it is also receiving the response. After doing the ping, I will try to do a telnet from FPGA board to the Linux system. And my telnet port is 23. So here we can see that I'm able to log in on the remote system, which is 0.175. Thus the telnet is also successful. I'll log out from telnet, and after doing telnet I'll do wget to download the 10 MB zip file. So I'm just going to the internet and try to download 10 MB zip file. As we can see that it has already connected to speedtest.tel2.net and it has done downloading 100%, and this is 10240K, which is 10 MB. And just to show you, I'll do a ls and we have 10 MB.zip file. Thus I showed you 3 different Ethernet operations happening through LMAC Core 1, which runs on 1 Gbps.